Good morning and happy Thanksgiving 2025. What a year this has been. What started with a little spark has evolved into a flame. Today we're doing turkey a few ways. You see a lot of videos going out there. You see smoked turkeys, spatchcock turkeys, grilled turkeys, and we're gonna do a live fire rotisserie turkey. So I got about a 15 pounder. It's been brined. I'm gonna dry it out. I'm gonna bring it over here on this table. We're gonna put the spit through it. We're gonna get it going, and we've got some, we're gonna do some cherry and some Quebracho. We got that going right now. We're building our coals. We're gonna do some sweet potatoes on this. We're gonna do some onions on this. And we got some good stuff going inside, man. I do the stuffing, the best stuffing you ever had. I make a apple chestnut sage stuffing. That is just to die for. We might get into a little bit of that too. We got Nana's potato rolls going, and we got some good food. So sit back, enjoy, and we're gonna have some fun today. So here we go. So all I have is rubbed down with a little bit of oil, and I just used salt on this. I'm not going crazy, barbecue rub and spice and everything. We're gonna let the natural brine flavor come through, and the salt on the skin is gonna really help to crisp it up. So we're just gonna come in here. Now I did truss it inside, and we're gonna come and we're gonna give it a little stab on this side. All right, and then we're gonna come down on this side. We're gonna take this bad boy and we're gonna come on inside here. There we go. And we're gonna put this on. Now, we're gonna come on over. I'm gonna come from behind so you can see it. And what I did is I built this little brace right here so we can get this in. And then this little piece adjusts and goes in here. Now how bad is that, huh? This thing is beautiful. So we're gonna pause right here. I'm gonna plug it in. So here we go. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go probably 3-4 hours. We'll check this bad boy out. We'll see where we're at. And you know, we got some nice coals going. We're gonna keep an eye on our coals today. It's a little windy, so we're probably gonna keep this down lower than higher. And you know, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm really excited and appreciative to all the support that you guys have been, and you know, on the fire, we're on to a new chapter, and you know, I'm very grateful for my family, both here and inside here. Okay, here we are. It's been a long day, but we've been tending to the wood. We've been owning our fire. We got this up to the perfect temperature, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it now, and I'm gonna show you a little trick when we do our turkeys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it in foil, and then I'm gonna wrap it in a blanket and let it sit for about a half hour before we go to slice this thing. This is a nice turkey here. Woo, we got some hot stuff going on in here. All right, we're gonna do wrap and a rotate. Okay, then we're gonna take a beach towel. This isn't a beach towel. This is one of my wife's good ones, don't tell her. I'm gonna come in here, we're gonna wrap it up. And we're gonna let it sit like this for now for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and then we're gonna slice it up. Personally, I like the thighs, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna enjoy our Thanksgiving. So to all those out there, I hope you have a great turkey day. I'm sure you've watched all kinds of videos. I've seen them on the smoker, on the grill, spatchcocks, brined, barbecued, all kinds of stuff, but this is a live fire turkey on the rotisserie. We did some sweet potatoes on here. We did some chestnuts on here. I did an Iberico copa that we ate. an Iberico pressa that we ate just to have a little snack while we were cooking. Can't have this thing going without doing something special. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and I hope you enjoy. Crafted in smoke, forged in fire. We own the fire.